We're asked to solve this one by graphing, and fortunately for us, this one is already in what we call slope-intercept form. It's already y equals something else. So we don't need to change it at all. All we need to really do is to graph these two and find out the point in which they intersect. The point that they intersect is going to be our answer. That'll give us an x value and a y value, which is what we're looking for. So you can graph this one by hand if you just take out a scratch piece of paper and graph it, or you can use your calculator. I'm going to use the calculator now. So let's pull it open here. Okay, so here it is. First thing I want to do is go to my y equals and make sure that it's all clear. If it's not, go in there and delete all of those, whatever's in there. Okay, so y1, I'm going to type this in. This is 1 half x plus 1. Now, you'll want to notice my use of parentheses here. This ensures that I get the right answer. 1 divided by 2, close parenthesis. If you just write 1 divided by 2x, it will get you the wrong answer. So you want to make sure to use parentheses anytime that you have a fraction there. So 1 divided by 2, and then you write your x on the outside, plus 1. That's my first equation. Now my second equation is negative, and the negative sign is down here. This is not the minus sign, but the negative sign is right here next to the enter sign. Negative x plus 4. Okay, now on your zoom, make sure you're at a zoom standard is usually what I use, which is 6. That gives you a negative 10, positive 10. That usually tends to work pretty good. So here's our first equation going across here. And our second one will come down in just a moment. So I've got this red and this blue one, and they look like they intersect right here. It's a little bit difficult to tell exactly what that point is, but we're going to let the computer do that for us. So the way we'll do that is we'll use our trace button here, but we want more than tracing. We want to calculate. See how it's written in blue here? That means we have to hit our second button. So I'll hit second, trace. Now I'm looking for the intersection, where those two intersect, so that'll be option number 5. And I want to get somewhat close. First curve, and these technically are not curves, these are straight lines, but this works as far as the computer is concerned. Your calculator, first curve right here is this blue one. So then just hit enter. It will automatically jump to the second one, which is the one in red. Hit enter again, that's your second, then it'll ask if you want it to guess, and you do, so you hit enter one more time. It tells you that the intersection on this one is 2, the x value is 2 and the y value is 2. So going back here, here's kind of a little graph of what it looks like, and this is the intersection point. Here's how you'll write your answer, just 2, 2, with parentheses around them, no spaces or anything, but that would be your final answer.